Okay, so next we are going to go through 4A, is recognition of Police Sergeant Logan Brown. This is a certificate of appreciation that we are going to present to Sergeant Logan Brown in appreciation of your exceptional leadership and dedication in organizing the 2025 Community Night Out at the McKee Farm Park. Your efforts were instrumental in bringing our community together, creating a welcoming atmosphere and ensuring the success of this special event. The engaging activities, valuable resources, and sense of connection you helped foster received overwhelmingly positive feedback from attendees. Your commitment to strengthening our community and supporting the mission of the Fitchburg Police Department has made a lasting impact. We sincerely thank you for the hard work, dedication, and remarkable contribution to Community Night Out. So thank you. Logan, if you can come to the...
So why this is about me, like most police officers do, I'm going to set myself aside for a minute and just take this time to recognize the folks that really make it possible out in the community to make this event come together. First and foremost, ever since the Fitchburg Law Enforcement Foundation was created, they've been one of our pivotal supporters of this event and really make the fun of the event come to life, if you will, from the petting zoo to the bounce houses, all the things that keep the kids entertained for the night. We have many businesses and nonprofits across the city and even outside of the city, from Hy-Vee to the VFW Post to Badger Popcorn, General Beverage, Whizpack Brands, and many more that I'm likely forgetting that allow us to have all of the food and the snacks that we have for the evening. And I'll also call out Pet Supplies Plus, who makes sure that we're able to give all of the kids Kona Ice that night. Community Night Out was founded on the premise of National Night Out, which is historically a very large and law enforcement or emergency services heavy event. And here in Fitchburg, we've done something a little bit different with that event, and we've really made it more of a community event. And I would say probably 90% of the city departments across the city participated in one way or another, whether that was parks, getting the park ready and opening the shelter and putting the garbages out, whether it was streets for putting up the road signs to advertise, or loaning us stakes to hang our signs up, HR for doing the scavenger hunt. When I first started this, and I never thought that HR would be a part of Community Night Out. And so many more, the senior center, the library, and many, many others. And then everybody at the police department. You know, I plan the event, but I certainly don't do it alone, and so I want to recognize those folks that came out to volunteer that night and make the event possible. From my perspective, it's really having what we believe to be the largest event ever in not only Fitchburg, but in Community Night Out, National Night Out since in Dane County with almost 4,000 people showing up. We're really proud of that because that goes to show the support that the police department and emergency services has in this city. And so we're grateful for that. We're grateful for everybody here that showed up, and we look forward to seeing you all next year. Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. So next, we have a mayoral proclamation recognizing September as a Hunger Action Month. Nicole?
Yes. Proclaiming September 2025 as Hunger Action Month. Whereas Second Harvest Food Bank of Southern Wisconsin reports that more than 60,000 people in Dane County, including nearly 14,000 children, experience food insecurity, meaning they lack consistent access to enough food, and
whereas food insecurity is a systemic issue that can affect anyone, often linked to high living costs, expensive housing, unemployment or underemployment, and barriers to health care, and
whereas hunger makes daily life more difficult, students struggle to focus in school, workers have less energy and productivity, families must choose between food and other essentials, and those with chronic illnesses face worse health outcomes, and
Whereas hunger is not caused by a lack of food or individual failure, there's enough food to feed everyone in our community, but inequities in access prevent many neighbors from getting the nutritious food they need, and
whereas organizations such as Second Harvest Food Bank and its network of pantries, meal sites, and hunger relief programs work tirelessly to close this gap. But lasting solutions require community-wide action, and
whereas the City of Fitchburg recognizes the importance of addressing food insecurity in our community, and through the Healthy Neighborhoods Initiative grant program provides funding to support several local food pantries, demonstrating the city's commitment to both raising awareness and providing resources to organizations that serve residents in need, and
whereas during Hunger Action Month, we join together under the call, "We can end hunger when we all work together," recognizing that collaboration among individuals, businesses, organizations, and governments is essential to building a community where everyone has the food they need to thrive.
So now, therefore, I, Julia Arata-Fratta, Mayor of the City of Fitchburg, along with the members of the Common Council, do hereby proclaim September 2025 as a Hunger Action Month in the City of Fitchburg and encourage all residents to join in raising awareness, supporting local hunger relief efforts, and working together to ensure that no one in our community goes hungry. This is proclaimed tonight, September 9 of 2025. Okay, so we're going to take a picture. Is anyone on the audience?